What can a 5,000-year-old scripture teach us about modern risk management? Surprisingly, quite a lot. Today, let's explore the Bhagavad Gita through the lens of risk management, and see how its wisdom guides us in facing uncertainty, making decisions, and staying resilient. The opening of the Bhagavad Gita paints a vivid picture of Arjuna, the great warrior of the Mahabharata, standing at the edge of the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Confronted by the enormity of the war ahead, family members on both sides, the certainty of loss, and the burden of moral responsibility, he is overcome with doubt. His bow slips from his hand, his vision clouds, and his spirit falters. Arjuna, despite his strength and skill, is paralyzed by uncertainty. Similarly, risk managers face volatile markets, regulatory pressures, and operational uncertainties. Like Arjuna, they may freeze when risks seem overwhelming. The Gita shows us how to respond with clarity and balance. Lord Krishna counsels Arjuna to concentrate on performing his duty, with sincerity, without attachment to outcomes, teaching the value of selfless action, and inner discipline. In risk management, this translates to designing sound systems and controls, prioritizing long-term resilience over immediate rewards, and ensuring sustainable value creation, without being distracted by short-term market fluctuations or quick wins. In Chapter 3, Shloka 35 of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna advises Arjuna,
Shreyam swadharmo vigunaha paradharmat swanushtita swadharme nidhanam shreyaha paradharmo bhayavaha.
This means one should remain dedicated in their own Dharma, guided by ethics and principles. Following others or taking shortcuts may yield immediate benefits, but ultimately leads to hidden vulnerabilities and long-term risks. In risk management, following your own Dharma translates into adhering to the bank's established risk and compliance framework, ethical standards, and principle-based decision-making. Taking shortcuts, paradharma, like window dressing financials, bypassing compliance, or chasing unsustainable profits, may bring short-term gains. However, such actions introduce hidden vulnerabilities resulting to reputational risks. On the other hand, staying true to one's own Dharma, Swadharma, through strong internal controls, compliance, and ethical governance, ensures resilience, sustainability, and long-term stability, even if short-term outcomes appear less profitable. In addition to Nishkama Karma and Dharma, Srimad Bhagavad Gita provides timeless wisdom for managing uncertainty and risk. In Chapter 2, verse 48, Krishna highlights samatvam, the ability to remain calm and balanced in both success and failure. Such equanimity is essential for decision-makers facing volatile and unpredictable situations. Chapter 6, verses 5 to 6 emphasize self-discipline and mastery over desires, reminding us that one's greatest ally or obstacle is the self, depending on how well the mind is governed. Equally important, Chapter 2, verse 14 teaches resilience, encouraging patience and endurance through inevitable cycles of gains and losses. Collectively, these lessons foster clarity, inner strength, and ethical grounding, qualities that strengthen judgment and guide responsible risk-taking. The battlefield of Kurukshetra is a metaphor for the daily challenges in banking and business. The Gita teaches us that risk is inevitable, but with clarity, discipline, and balance, it can be managed. Effective risk management protects earnings, people, and long-term stability.